Wagwan ENT.
The more I live, say is the more I learn. The more I live, well, right. Let me not tell you, man. We no chat slackness, no time. Strictly culture and run the place. And no matter how you see them a go on, Charlie Chaplin rule predominant. How this dedicate to some boy we are going like them are your friend, lift up and come again. And tell them say this coming from me speng. I'm going like them are your friend. And behind your back them a chat and go and all kind of act. See? Dedicate to some boy. You can't even call them traitor. And I call them Satan, you know? Do it. Say redder than red, cooler than cold. Some man say them are your friend, but them are ring Seol. Say cause they no see giant in them soul. That's why they right. Jesus Christ. Where I say, we just a burn up the place with Sasa and done. We just a burn it up with Sasa. Say me a the girl then roti. When me see me wife and matey, me have to play boaty. And no bad me bad will. Right. Yeah, some man a beat up all them girlfriend. And I talk about she a give them bun. And when you say, oh, you know she a give you bun? Him say him hearsay. Well, me no deal with hearsay. Say this ya one a no hearsay. This one a no he say and this a no she say. This ya one a ital, so this a me say. You want some man a beat up him, girl say she a get way. She say no cure, she lie down and tell him say sit there. Say all him a do a bend down and a heat there. He look like him now listen where we a beat say. Hey, wheel out Lawe. Yes man. I tell you the truth man. We just a bust up a place and done for Chassa. Cause youth with faith. Rainfall, storm, blow. This and that man, we still come here. Come again, Lou. Come me say run route, liquor twitch, run route. The whole of them, the boy a Cub Scout. Say run route, law, we run route. The whole of them, the boy a... Come on, I said that them run route, but me know them a Cub Scout. Them boy, they have big mouth, them don't know what they talk about. Go tell big mouth, look out, him girlfriend a lick out. She say him a sleep out, and then him get weak out. And from a boy weak out, you know him get freak out. And from a boy freak out, the boy we eat out. Until you say, run route there. Wheel out! Away you say liquor twitch.
Hold on. Why principal? When I look for your left, look a while, I know you never spot him. General.
No, hold on. This dance here I go get bust up, you know. Because I and this man, you buck up a foreign one day, yeah. And them see the biggest dance skip for the year 2000 now come up. And what the man I say General Trees?
So that's the same virgin, I don't know. Hey. And when I said the word for my name out to the meditation for my name, I'll be accepting that sight, you know. Che! Selassie, deal with it now, because you don't know what they are, we love the people. Or else I go and sneak it, because you don't know all of it there, you know, and pay niceness. Selassie, middle of the Bible. I say pressure them, general pressure them, with the culture same way. I say pressure them, cheese if we pressure them, how you going get your pay? All the trouble and trial in a life, all you want to know you're doing the things that's right. Hey, Mr. Marvelous. Hey, General Leon, stay so. Easy Ilawi, you don't know. What does I sneak it up, you know? Get it nice, easy, Quench Aid, sugar, Minott. Admiral Tibett, you there, you know. I say pressure them, general pressure them, with the culture same way. I say pressure them, principal pressure them, how you going get your pay? All the trouble and trial in a life, all you want to know you're doing the things that's right. Oh, and the attorney back on the seat, turn the victory. You know, not to me pot done, set all heap of fish done catch you. But me no ready if you fry them yet. Me I love me seasoning done copper set. But a barracuda try bust minute. No me now worry, no you not fret. You don't know if you pop up the whole of them. I say pressure them, general pressure them. With the culture same way. I say pressure them, cheese you feel pressure them. And you going get your faith. All the trouble and trial in your life. And you have to know you're doing the things that's right. Hey, and they are turning back, they see turn the victory. Hey, hey, the race at 12 furlong, me tell the principal to set the ass, no let half of the bit yet. Man, I wait till about 2 furlong left, we let the ass off of the bit. Whip it up with the whip, then we wiggle and we waggle like a Winston Griffiths. Then we flash through in like a skip, we a skip. Oh, we get the style, so twitch him do it. When the wheeling at the set, we just slap the favorite. Pressure them, Sturgav, pressure. I don't want to say principal.
The only way. Say pressure them trees, man, pressure them. In a jar, only way. The prosecution, they must come. Trial and crosses in our way. But they attack the buckle, the sweet of the victory. And so the man says, so the king song play. A man called Ilawi, the cool selector, alongside the general on the Twitch. Man, so for the little children to come unto I and forbid them not to enter the kingdom of Zion. Each one is his brother's keeper. So last year, you know, how the man has the Mikey Melody.
Whatever time principal says, world is a disaster. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Easy General Trace. I'm a godfather for me and yourself. Principal Charlie Chaplin, man, respect for your scene. No booger Minott. You know, say your respect concrete set speed scene every time. Easy Quench Aid, General Leon. Run it Ilawi. Because of niceness. This is a Portland massive. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Because right now, you know what's it? Time hard, you know. You know, so Sturgav for bust them tune and say, world is a disaster. People can't take it no longer. Oh, don't know. World is a disaster. Say people can't take it no longer. Oh, no, no, no. Cost of living is getting higher. Say more seller than a buyer. We have to shop and make we eye. We don't have no money, but less to buy. World is a disaster. Say people can't take it no longer. Oh no no, world is a disaster. Say people can't take it no longer. Oh no no, oh. Mother of and the father of. So blessed is the child that have his own. But what happened to those who don't have none? Them have to live in the slum. World is a disaster. Say people can't take it no longer. Well, oh Lord, say world is a disaster. Say people can't take it no longer. Oh no no. The leaders of today are murderers, sucking the blood of the sufferers. Everyday price increase and the wages decrease. We're like a lamb to a slaughter, and they are the butcher, ready to devour. Always choked, they like a vampire. World is a disaster. Say people can't take it no longer. Oh no no, world is a disaster. Say people can't take it no longer. Pull it up, pull it up. Where's the principal?
Yeah man, I would man I say general.
Well, you don't know Quench Aid there, you know, we can't let all the singer. What do you want to say Quench Aid?
Yeah. God knows I was a fool to ever leave your side. And you might not be as just a lonely while. And there was one perfect thing. Sturgav people love you, boo. But it's so exciting cause we reunite, yeah. Reunited cause we feel so good. God knows.
Hold on! Hold it! I mean, Quench us on the big sound Sturgav, you know, for years without tears, you know.
Yeah, come in, General. Yeah, man. Original for years without tears. Innocent and you come out here enough niceness. Yes. I know I say give thanks and praise. Love John live. I hate him and die. I been a say ja. Can't say hi. Yeah.
Live up in the light of a ever living.
No, see I.
Live up, bongo man, live up. And see all
I know I twist from the top and give me the last drop. A man called Ilawi, the cool selector. Alongside the man called General Tibett, the man called Daddy Urad. Man called Sugar Minott. Ronald Josie Wheel. Brigadier General. Liquor Twitch not the Pablo. Chuck.
live up, Rasta man, live up.
Man like Ilawi, the greatest selector.
Live up, bongo man, live up. And see all live like shine, it's your will. Live up, Rasta man, live up. Exalt the creator of all living things. Live up, bongo man, live up. Live right and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. Well, Lord, upright and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. For unto he glory is to be. Well, no matter how the wicked try to compete, no, yeah. For he's the conquering lion, and we are the children of Zion. So high liberty must identify with the King. Oh well, Rasta liberty must identify with the King. Live it up, live
And
it
I
up.
say, and seeing the multitude went up into a mountain, and when he was set, his disciples came unto him and opened the mouth and taught them, saying, Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are they that mourn, they shall become first. Booga.
There is a land far, far away, where there's no night, there's only Liberty Ridge.
I believe in Jah, earth rightful ruler, some call King Sturgav. And I say, got to know yourself for this year, Iowa. Man called Ilawi cool selector. Sturgav playing the place called Pone and Tony Way. You will look on them and tell them, no, me people. Chatting the mic for the longest while without no riches and no 10 bag of Kyle. Chatting the mic for the longest while and never rub up with no hope, Heil. Chatting the mic for the longest while and never talk about and no girl child. So no one no see it. And not the money make the gaga not do it. I preach bingy man come a Babylon fi preach. Nobody come watch and nobody come see. Lord Emperor Haile Selassie. Murder. Have mercy. You tell them say. Chat in the mic for the longest while without no riches and no 10 bag of Kyle. Chat in the mic for the longest while and never rub up with no hope. Heil. Chat in the mic for the longest while and never talk about and no girl child. So no one no see. And no the money make a gaga not do it. I preach bingy man come a Babylon fi preach. Nobody come watch and nobody come peep. No mix sugar mine at dinner.
Love and unity is like the precious diamond upon a head that went down to the beard. Even Iman beard that went down to the skirt of Iman garment. As the dew of Iman, as the dew that descended from the holy mountains of Mount Zion, with the mighty Jah command his blessings to shine upon I and I continually. Says even love, life and joy continuously. We say you want ya, but no banya. We say you Santa Masagana. We are Africans, as I would say. We are Africans, as I would tell you. I'm free. To me, to my African, yes, as I would say. I'm the Santa Masagana. See me on about no banya. We are Mr. Sabina.
Sata Masagana, yeah. Originally, rule continually. Sata Masagana, yeah. Know that me never born ya. No say me hunger come on ya. You know that me never born ya. You know that me come on ya. Sata Masagana, Jah Amla, rulers yeah. Sata Masagana, oh Jah Amla, rulers Jah you know, rulers
From in the beginning, me know some boy did that wit. Then start on the wrong side, now then want switch. Me fly it up his eyes and the Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Man called Ilawi cool selector and I play strictly God Almighty vibes when I come. A bun we come for bun a fire and move, you know. You know, come for ramp. Original. I want to man say King Youth.
Oh yes.
We love this.
Guys, right now, it's all youth and youth. I want to know, say, don't watch on the bridge you have and grudge him. Just wish him all the best. I know, say, you can have your own too. You see, now put your trust in vanity. Original style for all youth and youth. Antonio, you don't know it go. Run it, Chaplin, teacher. There is a message in what I've got to say to you. Alright. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, a merry old soul.
Booga Minott, fire.
Okay. Alright. Old King Cole was a merry old soul, a merry old soul was he. Say old King Cole lost his gold, now he's crying, you see. Don't put your trust in a vanity, for it will let you down. Don't put your trust in a vanity, or you'll be on the ground. Like Humpty Dumpty sat upon the wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All of his friends and the money that they spent couldn't get Humpty together again. Don't put your trust in vanity, for only Jaja can help you and set you free. Alright, give me now. Over Jordan, Jordan River, calling us home, calling us home. We got to go back home, back to Africa. It's just calling us home, calling us home. So long we've been down in captivity, yeah. And now we just wanna be free. We got to be free. We wanna be free. Oh well, oh well, oh well. A River Jordan gonna roll. A River Jordan gonna roll. Roll, roll, roll. Papa Chaplin, yeah.
Hey, hey. Yes, man, I ask a Quench Aid.
I never seen this before. I never seen this before. I never seen this before. Never see so many people beat down the fence coming. And to them is a Sturgav the on the scene. And Sturgav the combination of this. How do you feel? Oh, you feel the fire.
Say yes. Quench Aid. Watch out. Quench people and talk.
What's up, teaching us? Yeah, Sugar Minott and General Cheese. Godfather. I never seen this before. I never seen this before.
No.
I never seen this before. Never see so many people beat down the fence coming. And to them is a Sturgav the on the scene. And Sturgav the combination of this. How do you feel? Oh, I feel the vibes is flowing right. Woodland people they are tonight. Twinkling feelings to my mind, and I wanna tell you so much. That when a champion and the sound can show us down, show us down. I'll give you all of the vibes to believe we still grab sound in tone and no sound can show us down. Come in, Charlie, slang, do it.
Yes, Quench Aid. And I say keep on rocking and keep on skanking. Lord, go tell me if me wrong. Face and come call, oh no, tell me if me wrong. Tell me if me wrong. Face and come call, oh no, tell me if me wrong. Because a man a keep a dance down a Westmoreland. Without the one Poopa Rice said the dance could no one. At 1 o'clock Poopa Chaplin send him a telegram. Wheel up Ilawi and come from top. Come me have a DJ, yeah. This a man a teach DJ how to chat. Away I said General. Lick them but not kill them. Save them. Lick them but don't kill them.
Slash. Well, have I lick him but not kill him? The boy will live. Chop him but not chop him. Long time me I watch him. Here's me a plan. How you go again? Let me tell you about the boy what they call penguin who run the borderline when they come to thieving. When do rock people house and rock them kitchen them team right. Vision chicken you left a man below the money. In your kitchen them take a buckle line and got him a sang. Wouldn't break. Wouldn't break. Keep on playing for the King Song, call King Song, va. Little Babylon. Babylon. Why go great principal? Lick him out, not kill him. The boy will live. Now we make him live, we make him earn 2 shillings. Stop him but not chop him. After me I watch him. Here's me a plan. Why go again? Let me tell you about the boy when they call penguin who run the borderline when he come to thieving. When do rock people house and rock them kitchen them thief right. Vision chicken you left a man below the money. In your kitchen them take a buckle line and cut him I pass him. A thief like that have sympathy for him. Squally you stick him like a common pin. Squally you stick him like a common pin. When you hold him lick him but not kill him. The boy willing, now we make him live and make him earn 2 shillings. Slap him but not chop him, and tell me you watch him. Here's me, I want to say principal.
Lord, Mr. Trees, are the one of the yard. Hear me now. Can me say, oh, this your sound is so good. Trees, oh, this your sound is so good. Not through the box, them below the hood. The people come and get them, no push and they no show. So me say, oh, Mr. Trees, him so nice. Say, oh, cheese rice sound so nice. Me said them sweeter than the courage, water nice and the rice. Away him talk once, him not talk that twice. Him gamble real sauce, him not play phone dice in a day yard.
He are the owner of the yard. Them carry him gone abroad. Hey, play poop and stereograph play. Play poop and stereograph play. Now I say keep on playing with the song called King Sturgav and Vine. I come, the mighty you call Lincoln Grand, the lady Sugar Mine that you don't know. And then I turf live, you know, principal. Easy Twitch. What am I say, principal?
Yes, cheers. We love Selector. And when me look and see my brethren pan the right, this bus up. I would man say booger.
What a man as a principal, Charlie. You don't know, say all you want. Watch this one now. Come now, my people. Come now, my people. Come listen now. Who's it? Say come now, Natty Jet, come now. Say come now, Natty Jet, come now. Well, what you want us to go and do? Steal? Get a raw deal. Look at it. Don't know. Come now, Rastaman, come now. Say come now, Rastaman, come now. Say come now, Rastaman, come now. Let us live together. Jaja lives forever. Let us live together. Jaja lives forever. Say Babylon, you're falling and you really don't know. Babylon, you're falling and you really don't know. Babylon, you're falling and you really don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Say forward the Natty Dread, forward now. Forward the Rastaman, forward now. Forward the Rastaman, forward now. No turning back, I say. Oh no, teacher, you don't want to touch it. No turning back in me. Then you feel come now, Natty Dread, come now. Come now, Rastaman, come now. And you feel come, Rasta woman, you feel come now. I'm gonna tell you from the sound, believe the way you must say. Yes, I put power on you, keep you rocking in the swing. Come on, not show, come on, not keep you rocking in the swing. Where's the book of mine? Tell him one more time, man. Say, go down, Babylon, go down now. Go down, Babylon, go down now. Go down, Babylon, go down now. And your knees are saying, say, hang on, Natty, me say, hang on in there. Hang on, Natty, beg you, hang on in there. Hang on, Natty, beg you, hang on in there. Right in there, in there, in there.
don't you know, you see, it's been a long, long time, we don't have no nice time. Long, long time, we don't have no nice time. Let's get together, live together, get together, love forever right now. Charlie Chaplin, don't you know, Sturgav champion sound. Ilawi, don't know, say you, don't know, say you, roll, yeah. Yes, Booga Minott. Nobody can lick them rhythm me like you, my youth. Yes. Why not say to steal from thy bread in vineyard is bitter to the belly, but to eat from thy own vineyard is sweet to the soul. All you got to do is make a good time roll. Cause all who can hear must have to feel. All who can hear must have to feel. Thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not steal. That's what the prophecy reveal. Cause my God is real and my God no steal. One green backer say he stand up on the wall. One green backer should be accidentally fall. Could have burn down the one poor Paul. It would that tear down Vatican one and all. Cause all who can hear must have to feel. Right now he says swallow feast, I'll be the battlefield. So my five play with a place called Port Antonio. But until you bound the sound to keep the rocking on a swing. But until you like a puppet on a string, you do your thing. All who can hear must have to feel. Yeah. And so the man says, so the king sound play. Man called Ilawi, the A1 selector, scene king. But big up all nice and decent people. Big up the border patrol security in the place. Kaka, you want to write up at the high troll, so I have to check it out. See? I would man say Sugar Minott. Watch you now. Ease out. Cause you want to sing all the tune there, no problem. Cause the sound of the man them way. A girlies. All the girlies them. Them just say rush me. The woman in my life. Oh God, hear me now. Say more than one woman in my life. Oh yes. So every one of them I fight to be my wife. Alright. But if they would take their respective place, oh gosh, this would never be a lover's race. Oh no, for I've got enough love for everyone. Oh yes, it's only jealousy just to spoil up my plan. Oh man, I've got enough love for everyone. Well on there. Up here, hold on there, Ilawi. Up here, one girl man there, so. The man them name na ball for this. Up here, one burner. We not deal with it, saying enough girl man have enough. Line out. Sharon and Audrey and Michelle and Sanjo and Debbie. Yeah. What am I do? Them just say rush me. Them just say rush me. All the woman in my life. Oh gosh. More than one woman in my life. Alright. So every one of them I fight to be my wife. Alright. Oh yeah, my man. If they would take their respective place. Oh gosh, you want to tell me? This would never be a lover's race. Oh no. For I've got enough love for everyone. Oh yes. It's only jealousy just to spoil up my plan. Oh man, I've got enough love for everyone. Oh yes, it's only jealousy just to spoil up my plan. Oh man, hey, more than one mumpy in my life. Quench Aid. Every one of them a fight to be my wife. They want to sleep with me tonight. But if they would take it one at a time, too much I come one time, Quench Aid. Everything would be alright. You see, nobody rush me. Nobody rush me. So Chaplin. And so the man says, so the king song play. Lord have mercy. Nobody rush me. No rush it, Sturgav pass it. Nobody rush me. No rush it, Sturgav pass it. Yes. Some a say for heck them we in at the red. But as the man him no eat foul leg. I and I no feel pan no white bread. I and I they make dead go bury them dead. Who is too fed make them all be fed. Until nobody rush me. Chaplin and Ilawi. Cut it. Nobody rush we. Because we coming from his Sturgav posse. And so the man says, so the king's own play. I do remember that you entertained by the king of rhythm and blues, original Rastaman sound. Big up all of the youth them in the place. You deal with God, see? Now he come. This one called the killer. Hey. Say Daniel was in the spirit, and that last day when he hear a voice from Hallelujah, and this is what it says: I am Alpha and Omega. Yeah, El Sugar Minott, bless them first. We'll start with here. Ilawi.
Yo, hear me now. So before going another one now. Hear me, I say, my brethren. Yeah, man, don't worry yourself. Hear me, I say. Hear me now, brethren, sister. Brethren and sister. I want to give it even a minute silence, you know. For my brethren, Mr. Dennis Brown. And them singer they inspire me. The first time I get a little break, a Dennis Brown tune I sing. You understand? I want you to quiet them people over there, say, you know. I want to show some respect, you know. Because enough years, you know. We're a businessman with nothing about that. I ain't no job. We're not judge no man. You understand me? Get out the little noisy board out of this. Ease off. Back off. Here, brethren, if we not silence you a minute, me not sing no more tune, you know. And me just are done. Just make sure you alone go and talk, man. We need a minute silence. You understand? For Mr. Dennis Brown. Here we are going from right now. Joe! You better wait tonight if I continually run this. We're going to bless the place now. We're going to Zion on the morning train. D Brown gone to Zion on the morning train. Listen. I'm going to Zion in the morning. Sprung down, the trumpet's gonna sound. The elders come to meet me. The elders come to greet me. Going to Mount Zion. I'm going to Mount Zion. Going to Mount Zion on the morning train. Listen. No weak shall not enter. No weak shall never come over. So in a Mount Zion. Say in a Mount Zion, no. Say I'm going to Zion in the morning. Sprung down, the trumpet's gonna sound. Dennis Brown is going to Zion. Jacob Miller going to Zion. Garnet Silk him going to Zion. Peter Church way up in Zion. Peter Church and everybody on that morning train. On that morning train.
Yes, Sugar Minott, we'll and come again, man. Yeah. I want you know say when time man do them work, a man I give respect to them. We don't want only come magaga run up them mouth and attack and a disrespect. Because you know say when we come out here, God Almighty work we deal with. So if you want to deal with your jump up and tear out your body wall, you go on a certain sound. This is Rastaman sound. See? Come with it, make we bless up the place, King. Rasta live, man. Let me hear all the article people them say pam pam. Come and say Daniel was in the spirit. And that last day, when he hear a voice from Zion. And last year I live, man. And I say, Isaac Mabrak, knock, knock, knock. Dedicate to all you to know say God is a must. See? I follow no Eden King. See? God come first. Everything secondary. Lord see I. Lord have mercy. You will tell them, Lawi. Me said Daniel was in the spirit. And that last day, when he hear a voice from Zion, and this is what it says: I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. Behold, I live forevermore. I say, behold, I live. I say, behold, I live. Behold, I live forevermore. More. Behold, I live. Say, the brown affiliate. Behold, I live forevermore. And I show you how I say,
Boy, Charlie, I know I continue our service, but boy, I get me in the spirit. Oh, I want to tell you this, man. Listen, this, man. It is no secret what you can do. What he's done for others, he'll do for you. With arms wide open, he'll pardon you. For it is no secret what you can do. 'Cause I will serve thee, because I love thee. You have given life to me. I was nothing until Jah found me. You have given life to me.
well, I want to lift up and come again, because I hear some man talk about no God no there. And them burn Bible. And them burn Jesus Christ. Cool no, my lord. See, you know you're not a joke we are terrorized with. And you still are do it. See? You see, meanwhile, them are born God Ilawi. We are ask God to give we some more time. That youth and youth can achieve more. So make them go and born God and we beg more time, sugar miner. Lord, have mercy. Take me down low. Can me say so much to do if I only have time? Yeah, only have time. A lot of poor people dreams who would have come true if I only have time. Only time. People, sometimes life can be so unkind. So many wonders and signs. Still have to make up my mind. But I just say seek and you will find. So many mountains to climb. So Jaja give we more time. Jah, and to us the whole away. You are so kind. You are so pure and divine to all of mankind. On the cross, you give your life for mine. So never leave us behind. Jah just grant us more time, Lord. And if you love Selassie, I make me hear you. Love back. Let's see, I soon give you peace twitch. Can't touch where I touch them up, man. I can't take all them attack about say no God no there. It hurt me. And them boy they are devil. Cause them a lead people astray. And them make man a take Rasta for fool. You me tell them, Lawi, a long time I see you in a 12 tribe and you not talk about your born God and born Bible. So you're a full time now for them stop them mad chat. I chat about them born God and how them born Jesus. Like them want the whole world take Rasta for idiot. The boy want to slap out of me rusty butler. Me sing say, Selassie I am a black king. Me tell you say me love him. He teach me the right thing. Sometime me will and come again. How do them sugar miner? You know for where we are talking about God Almighty business. Eh?
Sit down and rest all the while, Mr. Tree.
Alright. If you only know the blessing that Jah bring, you would never, never fade away. Ho, ho. Middle of Angelo, Chilachilo. Ho, middle of Angelo. If you only know the blessing that Sturgav bring, you would never, never fade away. Hey! If you only know the joy and salvation thing, you would come to the dance right away. Cup up a glass, Sturgav open wide, and all the people shall come. There is nothing you have to do. Hey! Just be wise and step inside and feel the vibes, and you will come to the dance right away. And that Ulufi love fire, cause you know trees him there, no matter what type of choco no bring with water. People love fire, and the principal there, matter what type of choco no bring. Across the bridge, with these no sorrow. Across the bridge, there'll be no pain, and the sunlight shines across the river, and you will never, never take Papa Sturgav again. Preach!
Don't try to tell me Jaja is dead. He wake I up this morning. Don't try to tell me that Selassie is dead. I just talk to him. I just talk to him. Him say no mix up in a corruption and sin. No for them a go on like say them a king. I Emperor Selassie, I'm a crowning king. I know per dominant. Don't try to tell me my God is dead. I just talk to him, Sturgav. Just talk to him. That's why we eat 3 stars, a 40 and tar. Chat into light, a rotting cigar. Trees for a bicycle, Chaplin for a tricycle, and Twitch him in a donkey yard. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Sturgav never tell them no lie. Enough of them are coming on them jacket and tie. In front the judge and them a tell pay lie. Sturgav a praise and to Rastafari. Love him we will live and if we hate him we will die. We no cover no food from no blasted fly. I praise up right. So don't try to tell me my God is dead.
And I say keep on playing with the song called Kingston Govavai. I don't know. Easy Ilawi. Here to your selector. Hey. Hey. And I say, have a look for them and tell them, mind reader, me and the mind reader. Read up your son and judge your daughter. Mind reader, me and the mind reader. Read up your son and judge your daughter. Born in a Jamaica as a son of Jaja. Me study mankind, me be a mind reader. Me read up your son and Jaja daughter. Me will read you up free, me nah go charge you $1. Me about a hope your man from Medgewater. A the biggest con man we used to live a Elsha. And who make me know him and me teacher Sasa. Him name spread big and stamp the piper. Who? Can a man want fi can him daughter. Tell her about Duppy Liver House corner. She said, come up your man, come talk to me proper. What you can do now fi work some more ya. Him say, first of all I want $1,000. Hey? Second of all, don't tell your father. And go to the pharmacy, don't stay half hour. I want you come back quick, come back in a hurry. With the Isla run me, Isla left me, Isla fire, Isla powder, Isla this and Isla conqueror. And do it as you quick and tell your father. Cause I General Jesus the mind reader. Mind reader, we are the mind reader. Read up your son and the other man as a principal.
Yes, Mr. Cheese, lift up and come along. And I said, do remember each one teach one in a Babylon, and I go straight through till man. See? I know say right now, a God I and I serve. A God make I nice strong and take care of the nerve. I got plant all the thing where them call him herb. So hear me, I can't sound like reverb. You see what me I say, trees? Yes, it seems like the sun is gonna shine for me. Shine away. Right. All Portland people, man. God Almighty, you know. Okay, where you hear them a chat say, just serve your God all when you're hungry and a draw ground. Serve your God. Yes. It seems like the sun is gonna shine for me, shine for me. I allow it because I read these things in prophecy. Ding, stang, blang, ding. Freedom is a must, I know. And no matter how you fuss and go, Rastafari know Chaplin love your soul. You know why people? When the sun don't kill it, the channel and another mother don't anything got no water. Boy, yo, I said that weeping and a wailing and a people have been born before we. So tell you, say I want you to know that I am a man who will fight for my right and not for the wrong. Say what a bam bam bam. Say what a bam 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 bidam bam 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 biddly widdly diddly bam. Me say what a bam bam bam. You let me tell them sugar. Me say 1962 we get we liberation from the Queen girl we live in England. Dreadlocks run out in a them big rasta tam. Baby mother come a dance with them picnic in a pram. Ballad and hug up woman and a jam. Shoulda see me down on the grill pan the white sand. Just a hang up on a coolie black white woman. Bam 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 bam. Me say what a bam bam bam. If it I allow we can sugar happy jam. Bam 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 bam.
Original thing, Sturgav. Teacher, you're one. Original thing. Oh, guys. Hey. Uh-huh. Oh. Sturgav, comfy, nice it up. Uh-huh. Oh. The papa gap, comfy, nice it up. In a this dance for a cool night. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling alright. I love we selecting him, selecting alright. I'm feeling good, I want a pie. Oh, a nice we comfy, nice it up. Ay. Oh, Sturgav comfy, nice it up. Tracks in on the corner and a bite too stout. Walking on the corner where the roots man hang out. The sugar mine at them want you to sing out. Charlie Chaplin, them want you be by your side. Oh, Papa Gap, comfy, nice it up. Oh, Sturgav, comfy, nice it up. We comfy, nice it up. Yes, we comfy, ram it up. Yeah, Charlie Chaplin, comfy, nice it up. Yeah, to Mr. Trees, comfy, nice it up. Why, Mr. Teaching, comfy, nice it up. Yeah, Booga Minott, comfy, nice it up. Oh God, alright. This whole time, Jamaican something nice. Hey, this whole time, Jamaican something nice. Oh God, we comfy, nice it up. Mr. Chaplin,
We comfy nice it up. Oh, hear me now. It's all because of you. While I don't sad and blow. So when time to die, when you give Rastafari, don't walk away, Jaja. And I love you so. And I want black people to know who. Emperor Haile Selassie the king. Emperor Selassie the first to dedicate by the soundcast by fight. Along with a man called Daddy Ura, the teacher. Along with a man called Mr. Twitch, Natty Pablo. Along with the youth called Admiral Tibett. A man called General Trees. Sugar Minor. Hey! Booga!
Ace right now. Say a youth and I love from long time. And youth come on some hard time and come like say, them pressure music, them, you know. But right now, I know artist, Admiral Tibett, I step in and say, I think, I don't know. See.
Well, I must say greetings to all the massive inside here in the name of His Imperial Majesty, the Emperor Haile King Selassie I the First. Blessed to all entertainer, Charlie Chaplin, Sugar Minott, General Trees, Twitch, you name it, nothing Satina, Quench Aid, Selector, Kuyerwagwan, Consciousness, Scene, Ilawi.
Yeah.
I say Philly people business. Hey.
Oh Lord! John no father, Admiral Tibett, you don't know you come down the place called Port Antonio with you. Sturgav. Daddy Uriah, you don't know, Sugar Minor.
He's the principal. Ilawi, Daddy Uriah, General Trees. Booga Minott, Godfather for years.
Yeah. I say Philly people business and mind your own. I say Philly people business. Hey, the people business alone. The people business and mind your own. The people business alone. The people business and mind your own. You in my way, like a rolling stone, like stick and stone. Cannot break your bone. David killed Goliath with a sling and a stone. Samson killed the Philistine with the donkey jump on. So the people business alone. The people business and mind your own. The people business alone. The people business and mind your own. You can't renew gold and you can't renew come, but that's not the use for your teeth and your tongue. I feel like you're on the street with your mouth going like a bagel. And if anything happen,
Selassie, I would the man as a principal.
Yes, great youth. Them youth are great without apology, man. Admiral Tibett. Yes. Say teeth and tongue will tell. Till you say fi live and go down a hill. The teeth and tongue make a beat it. We say me kick up a sound and me lick up a yawn. Kick up a sound and we lick up a yawn. And we bounce for the tambourine. A things and tongue make a dinner go tell. They come pop a cheese make a bad noise.
Baba boom, 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 festival boom. Baba boom, boom. Come on, make me touch your fire. Baba boom, 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 festival boom. Alright, sing it. Mother we deal with proper. Whether you a deep sea fish or you a snapper, then no boy can't come call we no proper. And things we no like no back to stopper. I say to every question there is an answer. Me mother work hard for achieve a dollar. What kind of work she do? Me mother is a eagle. She don't want her youth them to turn no rubber. She grow all of them in the best of manner. I teach all of them to know them culture. She grow 5 little youth without a father. She said, oh, me no want hunger. She buy and she sell and she show partner. To keep her youth them out of danger. That's why me I tell you move further. Move, bam, 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 boom. Boom, boom, festival, boom. All the master principal.
Yes, General Tree. Until you say believe the street compete. Till you come rock to the Sturgav beat. That's what the man says, something some play. Dedicated to our nice and decent people, man, like Admiral Tibett showcase. Come in, Tibet. Our time well serious and you have to warn mega people. Talk to them youth. Ilawi, come make a speech consciously. I want to check the time, saying no matter who you are, ballad or dreadlocks, just check the time because it goes for everyone, saying and I have to firm to defend this in the Armageddon. So Selector, it's my honor, saying
we are living in a serious time. Whoa. Don't let the devil blow your mind.
cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust. The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. All over the world, everyone is in an eating rush. It's not everything good for eat, good for talk. I don't just know shadows of the dark. They
What one
and talk,
ENT?
eat and Rastafari.
Yo, Selector, you hear me? Right now, Admiral Tibett is like the vision, the idea of long time. Run, steal, Ilawi. I want to say, Mr. Tibett. Anna.
Yeah.
Portland people, I love you now. Oneness.
The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust. The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Lord, all over the world, everyone is in a eating rush. Listen, it's not everything good for eat, good for talk. I don't trust no shadows of the dark. They will walk and talk, eat and drink with you, pretend as if they are with you, but I won't let the one harm me, and I won't try to harm anyone. But when you think it's peace and safety, is a sudden destruction. The time is Rastafari.
And with the man as the general, jeez.
Selassie. Right now I know some Mikey Melody, I know. And you know we have to bring down the bumper singer. Come in, Mikey Melody.
We don't know. Admiral Tibett has the time serious. Saying, so we have to bust them song here. Is it Twitch? Is it Chaplin? We are E. We are E. Is it Barrington? Is it Quench Aid? Do yourself say, Chaplin? Roll up to the overpopulating gang with gunman and dirty wickets. Eating the people with the best shot they've got and leave them with toes are flat. But everywhere in this world is a pie pie and every month of the year.
Oh! Once again, come cross me sing a Mikey Melody for the champion song King Sturgav.
Well, easy Morris, know yourself. Easy Shack up Leon. Selassie. Easy Ilawi. International Selector Beers. Saint Star. We eat. Sturgav sound and murderer. We eat. Charlie Chaplin they put ya. See. Roll up to the overpopulating thing with gunman and dirty wickets. Eating the people with the best shot they've got and leave them with the toes are flat. But everywhere in this world is a pie pie, and every month of the year is a pie pie. Every day of the week is a pie pie. Every day you heard someone die. Once a man, just or twice a chance to win a baby born a mother's cry. They cannot tell the good from the bad side. Just hold up your red on the side. Cause everywhere in this world is a pie pie, and every month of the year is a pie pie. Every day of the week is a pie pie. Every day you heard someone die. Cause I no brag me, you brag, and I no boast me a boast. Me love Mona Lisa cause she need me the most. So she take care of me in every way. Me love her more than food, clothes and shelter. Mona Lisa. We eat Mona. Don't you know you are my number one girl? And if you should gone me, you go worry and fret because the love that you gave me never get it yet. And if you should have a fight, I should walk right through the door. It doesn't mean that I'm not coming back home tonight. Oh no, Mona Lisa. We eat Mona. Don't you know you are my number one girl? Where's the Quench Aid?
Lying in my bed alone when I hear a voice and think of you. Kind of in circles and confusion was nothing new. You say go slow, but they fall behind. If you lost, you can look and you'll find a way. Sturgav every time. If you fall, I will get you. I've been waiting. Sturgav every time. Do a boy.
Miranda, my girl, return your love to me, Jesus Christ. Come in, Chaplin.
Why you no sweet, my little youth? John, who can't say that Mikey Melody, you know, nice. But we have to go teach the people them for prayer. Here where we are say people, don't worry about nothing, see? I always guide and protect I and I. Strictly revelation, global unification. Say when I find myself in times of trouble, mighty Judge rescue me. Speaking a word of wisdom, rescue me. Yeah. And although the night is dark, Selassie I live, man. How are yourself? Look here, you see the running hot and them are going. Jah come first, everything secondary. Yes, my people. Say when I find myself in times of trouble, mighty Judge rescue me. Speaking a word of wisdom, rescue me. And although the night is dark, say there is still a light that shine on me. Shine until tomorrow, rescue me. Mighty Judge, me, I beg you rescue me. That's why trees me, I tell you. From me see a good girl, me know one for sure. Different from who I play a Jezebel role. Not because your mama and your papa might poor. You now pick it up and go turn no. Mr. Chinella, every day you get up with all 20 fella. So me na Adidas, so me in a villa. Some all are dressed up in a Tommy Hill figure. But them never know say them a serial killer, 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 killer. So when I find myself in times of trouble, mighty Judge rescue me. Speaking a word of wisdom, rescue me. Oh, wait, man, I said tree.
True, me no crack man, me no coke man, no take man for toy. We bun sense me and then we jump up for joy. Hey, hey, Grasang. I don't know them, we love the people them. All the sense me and man, me be able to say yeah. I would not touch nothing them coke, cause check the sense me and we smoke. So watch me good. True, me no crack man, me no coke man, no take man for toy. We bun sense me and then we jump up for joy. Push reggae music and make that reach far. None of them are people, them no fi walk bunny down. Flash up on no light and jump up and down. All you want fi know no brigade now go come and at 10 o'clock a morning for the dance and crowd of people jump up and bunny down. Flash up on no light and jump up and down. All you want fi know no brigade now go come and at 10 o'clock a morning for the dance and crowd up. Inspector, me pay me money come a session just for your fun. One hear me favorite selection run. Now I left the dance until the dance done. Inside the ramble people still a come. In a one corner me and me girl buckle down. Music so nice me tell her me soon come. Take out me lighter so dance around. Start do the style when they call money down. The gate a tear down, the vibes are pushed down. On the bar to the kitchen, money no stop run. People come a session just for have fun. They go to no lighter, jump up and show me the crack man, me the coke man, not take man fit all. Me bun sense me and then me jump up for joy. Push reggae music and make that reach far. None of them I want to master principal.
Yes, Mr. Twitch. Selassie, I know, man. But I say, got to know yourself in this Iowa. God Almighty, I watch straight through. Big up the lion power, roots wine tonic. Man of them a sell scene, so just walk out the place and find it. Admiral Tibett.
Cool down, simmer down, cool down.
Yes.
Not because I'm poor, I must still give thanks for
One call Admiral Tibett.
I've before. Not because I'm poor, it doesn't mean my life.
Brand new.
It's clean.
Admiral Tibett, fling over the part 2 cause the king there in the place. Come in, king, and bust the vibes to the people then.
Blessed. Watch this. Ilawi, no disrespect. Flip up the needle there, king. Seeing, I want to listen consciousness. Seeing, from way back still, but a reality. Seeing, blessed. Selassie.
With up and we. With up and we. With up and we got. Yeah. Bang we got. Because Babylon system is a fraud.
Wheel! Oh, when me talk about wheel, me no mean no car wheel, no truck wheel, no bicycle wheel. Stop up! It's Admiral Tibett, General Ancestor. Okay!
Watch this. Bang we got. Because Babylon system is a fraud. We get bang we got. Them one come and run away. Out and we got. We get bang we got. Because Babylon system is a fraud. We get bang we got hard. Them one come and run me from we yard. Hear this. I said them one we fit catch we afraid. Show them have the younger than we have the blade. When we ride them, I tell we say we wrong like them one coming. Mash up my reputation. But all when them I do, all when them I say foolish rules and regulations I don't obey. Them call themselves the superior, and them call us the inferior pound we got. Because Babylon system is a fraud. Yeah, we dip and we got. Them one come run away, out and we got. We dip and we got hard. But Babylon them system is a fraud. We get bang we got, then one come run away, out and we got. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, man. Admiral Tibett same the pan guard. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. Lord have mercy. I know you show the truth. Because them try to corrupt I with them vanity. But I praise up His Majesty. I take and preach up pure reality. Top of we God, because the Babylon system is a fraud. Man call Ilawi the cool selector. Booga. I see you fan of my lounge. Run it.
Ilawi number one selector. Yes. For all the youth them who pants patchy man. This is the all-time wreck. This is the all-time wreck. But look at that. All-time wreck. This is the all-time wreck. Short terry, but me still have to rock. Panchy, but me still have to rock. Shoes leany, but me still have to rock. Anyway, the music, then me act up the spot. The all-time. Hey, shut up. Hey, shut up again, man. Hey, shut up again, man. Lisa, come in. Wogat. Come in. Wogat. This is the all-time wreck. This is the all-time wreck. But look at that. All-time wreck. This is the all-time wreck. Short terry, but me still have the rock. Fancy patchy, but me still have the rock. Shoes leany, but me still have the rock. Anyway, the music, then me act up the spot. The all-time wreck. This is the all-time wreck. Well, look at that. All-time wreck. This is the all-time wreck. You must say, work till me sweat and me no see what me get. Get a little difference, so nothing left. I'm on a hustle for her eatings. Before me baby mother start weeping. And then she talk about the youth them want feeding. And little after that we start fighting. And then the landlord start complaining. You get your rhythm and you keep on moving. Hey, got to keep up the fight. Just to stay alive in this all-time pressure. Can't you see it's not getting, here's now. I know a little girl, she named Charming. Long time from the school I was going. She's inviting me to her wedding. Just so she think I wasn't attending due to the clothes I man was wearing. Most people would have think it's embarrassing. But anyway the music's playing, you can see what we do. This is the all-time rap. This is the all-time rap. Well, look at that. All-time rap. This is the all-time rap. Hear me now. Jah love me once and Jah love me twice. He is more than Quench Aid. Quench Aid.
Yes, you don't mind, teacher, you know?
The man I love, yeah. Sugar Minott, Godfather. Slay the wine, God knows. You know. Slay the wine. Here we go. Breaking up what we have been leaving behind. Slay the wine. All the good times we've been through. Where was I? Where was I? Yeah. And from the first time that I saw you, I knew that you were meant to be. So don't throw it away.
Walk One ENT.
And I wanna be the one who's gonna beg you to stay, darling. And I wanna be the one to change your mind. One more time. Sturgav, you're not that right, please. Don't throw it all away. Come in, Father, bless.
Yes, Quench Aid. Last year I know, man. Can't pray. But it's nice to be important, but important to be nice. Put past the road, the people's choice. Say we sweeter than the curry, what we nice and the rice. Where we come around and not be nice. So me say pop style, kill them with the no. And make them know cocaine we not blow. Pop style, kill them with the no. Make them know ganja man say so. Me want you kill your teeth, sugar might not make them see. Say that a weed for your teeth, dinner that you eat. Because the ganja sweet. And we, moro, murder. You can't see Quench Aid and sugar bust the place. How the man a say booger?
Hey, I'm pulling to the youth and youth and youth and youth and youth. Hey, tickle me once, girl. Tickle me twice, girl. Your sugar and spice, girl. And everything nice, girl. Love me forever and I will be true to you, girl, and to you are an angel, and you're mine, all mine. And you want your angel, and you're so divine. Love me forever, and I will be true to you, girl, true to you, girl. Yeah.
That's right. They say that no one's the wind is falling. Some shenanigans. The will of Christ eternally. Some shenanigans. Crying no one for being my weeping below. Don't shed your tears eternally. Cause I have found Sturgav the people have been searching for. Yeah. I need to serve no more. No more war, no more. Cause why? Yes, I'm sitting right there, waiting for you, my dear. Wondering if you're ever gonna show up. Something tells me I'm a fool, that you treat me so good. Nevertheless, I'll say again, Sturgav got them waiting. Sitting in the park, waiting for come in, General.
Stop it now.
Yes, old boy.
Just stop it now. Stop it now.
Article man called Tibett, you know.
Anytime, anyhow. She just can't settle down. It's like she make a vow.
We love that we know in no long thing, cause the man they alive. Come in Tibett.
Yes, principal. Watch this. Yeah. Massive, just easy. A consciousness, you know. I love you know.
Mr. Guavalicious. Everything you run down from. Why y'all? We gone by the morning. Can't come good that evening. No, gone by the morning. Can't come good that evening. No.
Yeah, man, still on Admiral showcase. Oh, he come and I throw a counteraction too. How the man I said Tibett? Yeah. I said it just ain't over. I said the war ain't over. The war between Gulf and Babylon, it just ain't over. No. Selassie, Rastafari. I said it just. I said it just. The war between Gulf and Babylon, it just ain't over. No. Then could them put on them tool and a cool. Scratch it. Hey, I said a war between Gulf and Babylon, it just ain't over. No, then could them put on them tool and a cool man, me still won't remember. Yeah. I said a war between Gulf and Babylon, it just ain't over. No, then could them put on them tool and a cool man, me still won't remember. Hey, how them beat me till me get unconscious. Them broke up me and when you look me at the bus. No Babylon, I man don't trust. But anytime you see them man, me get nervous. Hey, the war between Gulf and Babylon, it just ain't over.
So we say, I and I need to know what's going down in society today. So many people are dying and the youths aren't uniting. Bad influences are leading them astray. But loving Jah, it is the best thing to do, as only Jah alone can guide us through. Giving thanks and praises to Jah, that's what all mankind should do now. Loving Jah, it is the best thing to do, as only Jah alone can guide us through. Giving thanks and praises to Jah, that's what all mankind should do. Now I can see the rebels marching their way through with their guns and ammunition at the ready to shoot. Woo. The enemy's forces who try to block their way. I see these things coming to pass. Now I must say, loving Jah, it is the best thing to do, as only Jah alone can guide us through. Giving thanks and praises to Jah, that's what all mankind should do now. Loving Jah, it is the best thing to do, as only Jah alone can guide us through. Giving thanks and praises to Jah, that's what I shall always do. Now I can see the day when all men live equally. Though that's one day dirty Babylon never want to see, when His Majesty ruled, triumphant of all. Don't you sit and wait until your backs are against the wall. No, principal.
Yes, youth. How the man has the teacher. Now before I'm playing another musical sound, right now I man kind of have the flow, you see, so I man really host, you know. But the reminder says, Natty Pablo with Full Move Promotion says, Universal Love with song called King Sturgav in a place called Shiloh's Lawn on Nato Bay on Saturday, the 7th of August. Even a team of a song called King Sturgav 5, with a man called General Focus, a man called Charlie P, a man called Principal Charlie Chaplin, Ilawi, and your admission shall be $300. Make that a date and don't be late, because that move out was great. Yeah. And now play them song, the brethren. Plan to come forward and see what the King's song called King Sturgav and play. Play for example, you will manage and any old way as I would say. Play by Sturgav, you will play. And you come down with me, but no matter what they say, when me say that me nah just a come, cause some with us are little just be done. Jah know, love is sweet and pure, love is something that others can't cure. Keep on coming to the door cause I wanna see your face some more. Love will not to brag, people, love will not to boast. But I grieve I come to them and don't do back about the bones. But I can't let go some sound called King Sturgav fire. Sound for you man to keep it rocking along as I was saying. Say that me not just a come.
stand up and relax and we don't not sit down. Whoa, then I we just a come. Play Papa Chaplin, what you really gotta say? Yeah. Play Sturgav, I beg yourself to play. Anyway that paper's true, man, you know I eat it parade. Yes. But me say row, Mr. Fisherman, row. Yeah. Because the hungry belly picnic the pan shore. Last year, me say row, Mr. Fisherman, row. Man, that is what I used to say. That the hungry belly picnic the pan shore. How the man say, King? Love is real, it love is pure. Love is something the doctors could never cure. But I say love is not a brag and love is not to boast. Because people come to them and don't do brag on both the most. They just a come, stop, stand, relax, and me no not sit down. That's what you tell me, say that me not go round. Say that you good, that just have some fun. Hey, hey, play by the song called King Sturgav, bye. Now you want to keep it around and make you feel fun, as I was saying. Yeah. Now we'll be a young roll that just gotta make the good time roll. And we'll be the name of fire. Here comes the man called Everton Blunder says angel in your eyes. Yeah.
Maybe,
angel in your eyes.
Maybe you are leaving, or maybe you're just lonely. Cause I know that something is the matter. Cause I see
that the danger in your eyes.
Telling me, oh
baby,
something's gonna be there.
Feel that the danger in your eyes. Where's the Papa Chaplin? Yes, King. This one called danger, you know. I ain't I born danger. I touch you, we are no stranger. Yeah, I tell the truth. I and I is a one away man. I and I is a one away man. We no want to go turn on down. Them they think they belong to the side. We no but no danger no eye. So no tell you about no danger no eye. I love we are deal with. Sturgav, love we are deal with. Dark the light just sit back and bite. Lion and the tiger go rumble and fight. Israelite mustn't fuss nor fight. That no right in Selector eyesight. As I love we are deal with. Say that love we are deal with. So nobody tell you about no danger in no eye. No tell you about no danger in no eye. Keep on rocking on, keep on scam. And then many more take like a bounce out to the black people. A power through the gate to pay your blue color rate. I tell you about the song to make you rock it on swing. No danger in no eye. Don't tell me about no danger, no eye. Man call Ilawi the selector. I selling time for greater. Strictly showcase I put it culture. Emperor Ilawi slash to the savior. As I love we are deal with. Say that love and I deal with. Make war go and make downstairs. And let the light no line no shine of days out to the black people. Let the light shine along the way. Entertained by the king, rhythm and blues songs called Sturgav by 5. I come. The thing called the real rock scene. I'm reading me a bun down dance. How the man I said teacher? Sugar miners. Come and start this one, y'all. See me some miners if you come and start this one, y'all. See but that's the real rock. So baby, let's get to look at that. Hey, look at that, baby, don't you want that? Come on, silver seat, don't you feel? Take a look at this. Where's Papa Chaplin? Yes, teacher. I say, hear me. Say weeping and wailing and lashing up teeth. And people say who no want no teeth and me lash them gum. Cause this a dance I can't done. Not you no bad boy come and bust magnum. We come in at the place that we have some fun. We not tap chant till me sight the morning. So
Wagwan ENT.